Hello guys, today I will show you the job I'm done on this MARANTZ PM7200 amplifier. This amplifier came from eBay, completely dead. Previous owner, they says the amplifier just stopped working. So what I did, it replaced the capacitors, and also it says it replaced all BC transistors in the front panel board. And after that, I say the amplifier back to life, back to working. But he did a big mistake with adjusting the indie current. So they says the after they adjust indie current, the main fuse will just blow and just keep blowing, even the move back all the adjustments. So I received this amplifier. So I was pretty sure the power transistor been damaged. So I did a quick measurement in the power transistors. So easy, I found the shortage and the one channel, I think was the left channel. So I can show you this. There's actually a RMA for the transistors from the board. So they even I remove all the drivers transistors and the power transistors from the one channel. I can show you this, the actually one that caused the problem. It's actually all this transistor been removed from the channel. So that one is faulty, this three is stay in good condition. Actually I have a lot of this original, the Toshiba transistor. I've got like a couple of pairs. This transistors been removed from the one old amplifier. So I still got plenty spares. So I can actually the measure, test it, and then do good pairs. You have not much difference between the NPN and PNP transistors. So this actually I use all new transistors in this channel.
Co za zbieg okoliczności. Ale jednego z zegarka nie wydedukowałeś. Godzin. Muszę wracać. Na herbatkę z tościami.
I replace all, I check all transistors, so there's actually this particular one been damaged, nothing more. But I changed all 4 transistors to new. Also, I found a lot broken soldering points between these transistors. So I fixed them all. I put the parallel 100 watts bulb on the actually the main fuse. Switch on, amplifier turn on. So the bulb was like flashed and turn off. So that looks good. Everything looks working. So I removed this bulb. Before I started, I moved all this potentiometers in the middle position. So after the switch on, adjust the aiding current for AB. But unfortunately, what I found, if I try change to class A, so it's actually not doing this. It's no relays clicking at all. I check source, any source, change any source. So also the relay was not clicking. You can see it's completely dead. So power board is working, but can't get any sound. So I check all these voltages for the power supply. So what I found, we've got V board here. So this is the tone regulator board. This is plus minus, I think 15 volts power supply here. So stabilizers here. So this the radiators was cold. So they found is 2 fuses here. It's a slow 500 milliamps fuses. So I take off this board, check that fuses was blow. So I replace these fuses. I check this this plus minus 15 volts line to see if there's any shortage on that. So it's no shortage. So I put these fuses back on, turn this amplifier on, and it looks like the relay started working now. So I can switch the class E, no problem. So I switched to class E and did a readjustment for aiding current. So that's everything works fine. So I try some connected speakers and I try some sound. So it's no sound coming in at all. What I find, if I use the source direct, that sound coming in from speakers. So I was thinking maybe the tone board is damaged. So I check everything again. So what I found is actually when you change the source, so any source, you can hear the relay clicking, but one here, it looks like a tape loop. It's nothing clicking. So I think that's something happened here. So I'm gonna check this board with all the relays. So you can unscrew this on the back, take this pin out, and this ribbon is long enough. You can put this board upside down on that side and do measurement. Just make sure you not touch this metal, and also you can remove the back if you don't want do like a bend here and stuff like that. So you can remove the back, but you need to remember, if you want to turn off the amplifier and do any measurement, you need to know the most MARANTZ amplifiers, they've got ground connected through the speaker terminals. So before you turn on this amplifier, you need to put this back and then make sure you screw up these 2 bottom screws. It's better to put these all screws back on to make sure the ground is connected through the case. So I measured every relay. So I turn off all these inputs. So just I think I put in a CD. So the CD relay should be on, the rest should be off. So what I found, the tape 2, so it's actually that one, they've got 17 volts on, and they should be 26 volt by 17. So this relay is not fully switching, but they moved the relay a wee bit and this break the signal. So when I check schematic, can see the main control board. So you can see how this relays are controlled. So you've got this like 2 transistors each the channel. So this transistor actually, so all the relays have got permanent 26 volts on it. So the transistors, it just bypass the to ground. So that's how the switch in the relays. So you can check here, tape 2 transistor is actually here. So it's one here to control that one. That one is to the shortage. So I check was the 70 volt on it here. So what happened here? Because the previous owner says to change all the BC transistors. So I'm saying that's definitely doing something wrong. So I removed the control board and see. So they make mistake. They use 2 exactly same transistors here. So that one was correct actually. So it's BC557B, and they put same one here. So they put the BC557, but should be BC54A. I check, I actually don't have any, so I just remove this transistor from here. Leave this off. I ordered new transistors, so I'm gonna put later on. So I removed that. So the relay was back on, like should be. Any sound coming through the tone, everything works now. Can you see more problems? So I did more adjustments for the leading current and DC offset. I was testing this amplifier for a couple of days and everything works very good. So next step is where the transistors coming in. I'm gonna put the new transistor on and I'm gonna put down to do a full service clean and check everything. So that's all for this amplifier. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.
It's been your life.